Hello guys, so there we have this double head desk lamp. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and I'm gonna show you what comes inside. Okay, so first of all, this is the instruction manual on how to put it together. Okay, it does show you all the components for this, the lamp head components, the support rod, and the clamp base. This is the lamp. The lamp gets easily constructed, okay, as it comes already ready to be installed. You can actually put it in different positions depending on your desk setup. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set that up right now. It does have this pole right here. It comes pre-wired and you just simply have to snap it in. Okay, very simple installation right here. That's the rod. This is the AC adapter, okay, that we're gonna go ahead and connect this other end to this, and obviously this to our electricity. Comes with a screwdriver, okay, so that way we can go ahead and insert our rod into the clamp, okay, and secure this with a screw right here that's provided, okay. So let's go ahead and install it and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, so installation is going to be very simple. We're going to go ahead and install this rod onto this clamp base right here. The screw is supposed to go all the way in, okay, with no additional effort. Then once you know that it's all the way in like this, then we're going to go ahead and slide it to the back of our table. There you go. So now it's firm right there. It's very tight on the bottom, and the final step is very simple. We're just going to make sure that we install this piece right here. We actually get this blue light right here. This means that we have power. It does have a very convenient touchscreen panel right here. This is the on-off button. This is the brightness down right here. This is the brightness up. And then this is the temperature control, which it does change the light color of the lamp, okay? The lamp does have an eye protection, so you can actually put it, like this, or change it to the wider color. And because of this covers, it does have an eye protection, which is very important. That way, you don't damage your eyes. And then it does have a wide, and very ample use of this. You can use it to film. You can use it to light up just a certain area. You can just use it, for the looks. It does look very modern and very minimalist. It is a very nice, desk lamp to have, and not only that, but it does, save you a lot of space. I hope that I answered most of your questions that you might have about this double head desk lamp. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.